At T4S Partners, we understand that building applications with OutSystems is just the first step. Maintaining, enhancing, and optimizing those applications requires a partner you can trust. That's why we're excited to offer SureSupport, our specialized managed services support solution designed exclusively for OutSystems customers. With SureSupport, you'll gain proactive monitoring and maintenance. Keep your applications running smoothly with 24/7 monitoring and scheduled updates. Ongoing enhancements. Scale your OutSystems solutions with new features, integrations, and performance improvements. Rapid issue resolution. Count on our OutSystems-certified experts for fast and effective problem solving. Cost-effective and future-proof support. Eliminate the need for in-house resources while aligning your application strategy with evolving business needs and OutSystems innovations. Why T4S Partners? We bring deep expertise in OutSystems development and lifecycle management. With SureSupport, we take the complexity out of ongoing application management so you can focus on innovation and business growth. Ready to take your OutSystems applications to the next level? Schedule a call now by emailing Adrian.